everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar table through via DAX, single DAX query, right? So so in that DAX query, what we are going to do is we will not use that those traditional methods for creating a calendar table. Like first you will have to create calendar and then minimum date, then max date, and then for creating months and years you use those different functions of year, month, date, quarter, right? We will not follow that. What we are going to do is we are going to use a single DAX query for the whole table, right? So let's start it. Let me show you my data first. This is my sales table. Inside sales table I have order date over here. So order date have some dates collection of dates from 2007 to 2009, I guess. Let me check. Yes, from 15th August of 2019 to 7, right? This is my data. So now let's create out table. This is the table I'm going to create, calendar. Inside calendar, let's I'm using add columns function. Inside add columns takes 3 different arguments: table, iterator, name of column which we are going to create, and the expression, right? So let's pass the table first. So for creating table over here, I'm creating a calendar table called min, using minimum function to get the minimum date. So date is coming from sales order date. Now max date is required, so for max date sales, inside sales we have order date, right? Close the calendar. Okay, calendar is closed. Now inside, now let's pass the air function. Air, sorry, this is the name of the column, air. Now I'm passing the expression air date. So if you'll see over here, date, right? Now the another function, quarter this is my quarter, comma, format function. Inside format I'm passing my date. Inside date I'm also passing the how the quarter format will be, QQ, right? Now my another is week, year, quarter has been, after quarter we want month, right? And month, comma, format function, inside format date, inside date for month I want I want one more month which will be in month name, which will be in alphabets, right? Month name, comma, format, use format. Inside format I want date. Inside date let me pass the format so I want only 3 alphabets of the month's name, so it will only show me as 3. For example, if there is January, so it will show as JAN, right? Okay, so let's get on to okay, after month name I will have to pass week, right? So format, comma, format. Now click on date. Inside date let's pass it week, WW. So this will give me the week number, comma, let me go for day, pass use the date format of the date, dd, comma, close, right? Let's run this query. So after running this, as you can see, I've got the date, and now let's, as you can see over here, we have got day. Let's grab day, month name, quarter, I have week and year. So as you can see over here, I have got the data from 2007, 18th of March. The data has been started. Let me check in the data from when my data is starting. April. Does it have March? 18th March. As you can see, 18th March 2007. So in this way you can create your calendar table in a single DAX query. So you will not have to use create different calculated columns for creating your calendar table, like day, month. You are writing another DAX calculated column, creating a calculated DAX column for day, and then you are creating DAX column for month also, right? So no need to do that, just simply do this. Thank you if you like the answer.